OMG! It's gonna be my first time trying this air fryer. And I hope I like it. So this bread, nilagyan ko siya ng butter sa sides. And then I just put the egg. Tapos lagyan lang po ng konting asin. Ano yung result? Perfect. Perfectly cooked. Walang oil. Wow! Oh my God. Masarap. Promise. Ang nabili kong air fryer is Thailand brand. Simplus. Kasi hindi siya masyadong mahal.